Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, rear step bumper, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.